Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to view digital orders Amazon. But before I begin, I'd like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you order shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to know how to save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. As you look to the middle of your screen right there, you're going to see the Amazon deal and Amazon Prime trial. So that's the link right there, guys. You can find it in the video description. And I highly recommend this subscription because you can save a lot of money and you can cancel anytime, which is a huge privilege to try something and cancel anytime. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to view digital orders Amazon. So first, we'll start by opening up your Amazon app. So once you arrive on this main screen right here, look on the bottom right hand corner. Look on the bottom right. Like on the bottom right, where you're gonna see like that person with the headshot. You know, like how there's the house right there. On the other one, that there's like a headshot. So make sure that you tap on that, on the person with the headshot on the bottom right, after the house right here. Tap there. Make sure that you tap there. As you guys can see, I'll just move it from the house to the person right there with the headshot right there. So make sure that you tap on that. Then you're gonna get on this right here. So look all up on top left where you're gonna see like your order right there. So make sure that you tap on the where they say order. As you guys can see, I'm tapping on order right there. So tap there. Then it will get you on this main page right here. But look on the upper right. Look on the upper right hand corner where they say like filter. So make sure that you tap on filter right there. Filters. Then you're gonna have to, you know, like how they say filter by order type. So make sure that you tap on digital orders. So tap there. Then once you do that, you just select. You can look up there, like on the upper right where they say apply, or you can look on the bottom. It's just personal preference where you want to type apply. So I'm gonna just type on the bottom. I'm gonna tap on the bottom right there. I'm gonna tap on the bottom, apply. And that's how you view digital order Amazon. And if you have like another question, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. And thank you for watching.